Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your earbuds Philips. And the first option is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. And then, at the back side of the charging case, we have USB-C port, so connect USB-C cable right at this port. On the front side, we see the LED light, meaning that your earbuds are charging. Next, we can charge these earbuds using a phone. And all you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone and the second one to the charging case. And as you can see, we have the LED light again, so it also works. The third option is to use USB-A to USB-C cable. And you can charge your earbuds from, let's say, your PC. And it looks like this, so I'm going to connect USB-C cable to my charging case, and USB-A cable I will connect to my PC, but you can connect to another device with USB-A port. Then we need to check the LED light again, and we have it, so it's also charging your earbuds. This earbuds doesn't support wireless charging, so we cannot use wireless charging station or reverse wireless charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!